Hello traders, welcome back to the Chart Whisperer. I am Tapper, back again with another analysis video. Please do me a favor, hit the like button there, subscribe and follow with me for today's analysis. We're gonna get right into it. Dow Jones, as you can see, I've done my level count here. We've got two levels of drop. I'm looking to complete that cycle with one more level of drop. Let's just see if we can get a short position here. Most certainly what I want to see here is a stop hunt high drop situation. As you know, when I have an area of interest, like I think it's last week's low, I kind of want price to come hit that price level and just go a little bit above Asian session high and then drop price from there. So I want to see a stop hunt high drop, and then I'll definitely be in for a high probability setup, of course, if it works out, if it is presented. But I'm definitely looking to take a short there. I won't dwell too much onto the long term for now. That's something that's going to come in the next videos. Moving over to Nasdaq, same thing, almost identical. Stop hunt high drop there. Two levels of drop, sorry, have been seen. I want to see them complete the cycle before they reverse. I think the longer term trend will kind of shed some light on that. I'm just going to pass by over it quickly. For perspective, yeah, I have seen all levels of drop here on the H4. So essentially what I'm looking for is to see them reverse from me inside the uptrend. However, as you can see, they're still hovering there, like I said, by yesterday's low, and they still have to complete the hour cycle. So what happens on the on the 4 hour, I guess we'll see over time. However, here, like I said, I want to take a stop hunt high drop, same thing as Dow Jones. Points of interest, as you know, there's last week's low, so I want to see them come up there, issue some sort of reversal pattern, and I'll be in short. Going over to the cable, let's see, on the hour we've had two levels of drop. Actually, it looks like they're kind of in level 3 here. On the H4 they definitely are, so they kind of in level 3 because they saw the two levels of drop, and then they kind of reverse from here. So I want to see them actually reverse price for a to kind of get out of the zone, because this kind of seems like they are still in level 3. This is very much level 3 behavior. Two levels of drop, pretty much a level and a half of rise. So it's still choppy behavior, but I want to see them commit to a short position and reverse. Do I have anything? Yes. Yesterday's or Friday's low high. In fact, as you can see, they kind of painting what I usually discuss here. I've got Friday's high here, and the Asian session, and at the moment still the 15-minute is painting some sort of rejection. So we'll see what happens, but I am probably gonna go short here. I'll just still put my projection there, and then I want to see them drop down low for another 2 or 3 levels. Of course, it's gonna take a high probability setup there for me to take a trade, but yeah, we'll just keep monitoring there. Euro USD, 3 levels of drop completed, and they have done 1 level of rise here, close to finishing the second one. So I definitely want to see them rise, although on the 4 hours, well, it's a bit shaky. They look like they're in level 3, but I only count 2 levels of rise, so actually we'll just have to wait and see. But as it stands, it looks like we're still in an uptrend here. I never like it when they're on the opposite end of what I expect from the pound, but only time will tell. Yeah, I'm going to be monitoring this price point for a continuation. I might go long here. As soon as I'm done with this video, honestly, I'm probably going to be looking at it a little closely, but I expect to see them go long. Friday's low is not actually an option, so this is the only place where I could take a long position. I'll just keep monitoring that. AUD USD, can you believe I haven't traded this in months, although I actually analyze it every single day. Yeah, months, literally months. So let's see what happens. 2 levels of drop have been seen. They've been chopping here for a while, a couple of days, a week. They spent all of last week in chop. So I want to see them break this level, break this little low here, and complete the downtrend so that we can start looking for a reversal. Let's see if we can't get any positions. Definitely can. This continuation is not an option because it's right in the middle of the Asian session, and then a stop hunter. Not likely, as you can see, it's quite close to the ADR high, but I'm definitely gonna have my alerts sitting right here, and I'll take it short if the opportunity presents. USD CAD has been chopping. Let's have a look at 4 hour just so you can see my perspective. You know, when something is like this, I do not like to get involved. I actually want them to figure out what they're doing, decide, because the 4 hour has been literally did 2 levels of drop, and then they just been chopping there for over a month now. Haven't traded them in a while as well, so just gonna stay out of this until they decide what they want. And then obviously from the long-term perspective, I'm still thinking to go short, but will only be relevant once they get out of that choppy situation. Dollar Swiss franc are kind of in level 3. They completed their this is their peak formation low for level 3, by the way. So they did that peak formation, rose, and then they chopped for over a week as well. Hopefully this is not waiting for NFP before we see proper movement, but I am still looking to go long regardless of what you see here. Although them breaking last week's low is not exactly exciting for a long position, but I'm still going to be open to longs. Can't take any in terms of a stop hunt trade. Let's see, Friday's low, nope, not an option, and last week's low looks in the middle of nowhere, so no trades there for me today at least, but I'm definitely going to keep monitoring this. Maybe it'll start giving signs of a long position, maybe even tomorrow. And finally, S&P 500, the same thing as the other US indices, Nasdaq and Dow Jones. 2 levels of drop. I love it when it's this clean, by the way. Always a fan of this. Full level, and even if you get a full day of consolidation, even better. So I expect to take them short to complete the cycle. Quite simple there. Stop hunt, high drop. Not too much to discuss there, honestly. If I get a nice reversal pattern there at last week's high, then I'll definitely be going short. And then that is it, actually. Definitely looking to go short, nothing in terms of a continuation pattern. And that concludes today's analysis video. Thank you for watching to the end. Please make sure you click the link in the description, join the Telegram group. There's going to be a whole lot more value coming through. Actually, I want to start giving some fundamental analysis, some perspective when it comes to the long-term trading, and a whole lot more resources for traders as well. So make sure you hit the link in the description, just click there, join the Telegram channel, and then also once you're in there, join the discussion group, guys. I really want to hear what you guys are looking at in terms of opportunities, what you're trading. Like I said, the group is open for, it's not actually for me to discuss what I think, but it's basically for us to all communicate in there and share insights, and just a nice little room, if you will, for traders to connect. So until I see you guys in the next video, please again make sure you hit the like there, subscribe, so that you can always get these videos. I'm also gonna do, I forgot to mention, I also have a counting levels lesson that I have recorded. It's still in editing process, so as soon as that's done, that'll be out soon. So just please keep a lookout on that. And that is it for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.